Welcome to Ragn-Sells, a circular economy company whose primary purpose involves the collection and sorting of packaging waste. Ragn-Sells has adopted a fresh perspective on waste, focusing on a more circular economy approach where raw materials extracted from waste are utilized with maximum efficiency. Here, the sorted materials are forwarded to end recyclers and companies that use them to produce new products. In Estonia, Ragn-Sells handles a significant amount of MSW waste, while the remaining bulk waste includes construction waste, C&I waste, and other sources of raw materials. Ragn-Sells manages the collection, sorting, and transportation, while adding value to the extracted materials throughout the process. Over the years, Azortum has also had a part to play in Ragn-Sells operations, where we've had the opportunity to develop solutions for Ragn-Sells waste sorting needs. Today, we delve deeper into one of our major collaborations, increasing the efficiency of the plastic packaging waste and waste paper sorting line.
I moved into the Ragn-Sells 12 years ago. Then Azortum helped Ragn-Sells to build up the MBT plant. And after that, Azortum has helped us with different projects. Hazardous waste shredding line, small projects in eastern part of Estonia. Then also the Azortum has helped us moving the paper sorting line from one site to another and improved it. And the biggest corporation started in 2020 when we started to implement new sorting line for the paper, mixed paper, OCC, and for the future for package waste.
The first part of the project was built at 2020, and the second part for the implementation of other machines to separate the packaging waste was made in 2022.
The problem for us was the throughput actually, because the old line was this way that you put the material in one way and then you do always the positive sorting, so take out the material what is needed. What we wanted to do to get the efficiency up, to get more throughput, to do it this way that the machines are actually doing the heavy lifting. We will reduce amount of people who we need for material, and the work for them would change. They are not sorting the material, they are like a quality control. Decided to do the development in different phases because the OCC and paper fraction, the collected tons were going up quite suddenly. And the first part of the line we implemented the possibility to sort paper and OCC. When the first part was done, then when we looked into our package flows and everything, so then we decided to do it additional improvement for the line, that it is capable also for both material flows, for the mixed paper OCC and also the mixed package waste.
The main goals of this project was to increase the overall capacity of the line more than 2 times. And another thing was to add a packaging waste sorting into the same line where the paper and OCC is being sorted. So basically we needed to do a flexible system for 2 different material streams.
And together with Azortum, we discussed the options and found a very good and efficient way to add mixed package sorting solution on the same line. We implement different machines, and now we have a line for what is flexible, and we can use it for the mixed paper OCC and also for the mixed package. The line's technical capability is planned for 6 tons per hour. Throughput used to be in a hand sorting line 2.2 to 3 tons per hour. So the throughput has gone up almost 2 times. What's good is the residue rate has also fallen, so that means we can get more materials out from the flows.
To increase throughput and add packaging waste sorting into the same line, we first had to overcome the obstacle of fitting the equipment into the building.
I would say that the biggest challenges was to fit all the equipment, all the machinery into tight space. As the building is an existing old building. Height of the building is only 7 meters. We had great challenge to really try to find the best placements for each equipment. Another part of it, of course, also understanding the future scalability. So from our point of view, it required to pre-engineer the entire line as it should be in a far, far future, and have that vision at first place.
Azortum had a very good solution how to fit all the technology on our site, so we didn't actually have to do any additional building works or so on. From the start, Azortum offered us the solution that is actually flexible. When we started with a mixed paper and OCC line, there was already an idea how to implement a mixed package sorting solution also.
One of our goals was to really make it clear what is the actual problem we are trying to solve. And it was interesting when we first saw the material description they are planning to sort, that there is so much glass inside it. So then we tried to find a solution, either picking it out or breaking it and separating it. And finally went with breaking the glass with a special screen for that. So unfortunately the machine for separating the glass didn't fit inside the building, so we needed to extend outside of the building. But it's rather not a problem until it works reliably also throughout the winter like that at the moment. So
their solution was the most modular and compact for us, and also there is option for us to implement another example, NIR sorters on the line already. So it's a little bit like a Lego.
After creating a solution to fit all the technology within the current building, the next step was to proceed with the installation. However, this presented a new challenge, ensuring zero downtime. As the plant continuously received a flow of materials, the installation of the new line had to be carried out at the same time as Ragn-Sells was sorting the material in the existing line.
For that we made a solution that the material can be sorted simultaneously when we are doing the installation. And the challenges with that is ensuring the safety of working people, dividing the working areas between Ragn-Sells and our installation crew, and also making sure that the logistics for our equipment and also logistics for the material streams coming to the storage are clearly divided. Also, it was important from our point of view and also from customer point of view that the solution we are making here has a great availability and will withstand also hiring capacities if those come. So it was important that we dimension each equipment accordingly, not only the theoretical volumes that we have gotten from customer, but we need to estimate what could be the maximum amounts in some certain point of time that the machine needs to withstand. So that's something very important we need to follow all the time in the engineering process.
We chose Azortum for this project because we have very good relationship in the past with different projects. As a customer, main thing for this kind of investments and improvements is that you need to have the support also afterwards. So it's very easy to find someone who puts up your line and then walks away and probably disappears. But Azortum has been also a good partner afterwards. So if you as a customer forget something or you forgot to ask something, then they point it out and they come back to you to get actually the best solution. So they don't let you as a customer to do a mistake actually.
We in Azortum like to think that we make waste sorting possible by supplying technology for that. So we want to ensure that our customers, who are the waste recycling companies mostly, have the best technology and flexible systems to sort the waste.